When I started investing in my mid-40s, I thought a $10,000 portfolio was just a dream. I mean, I wasn't a big money investor, still not. But I consistently have added money ranging from $50 to $200 every month into my stock portfolio. And today I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing to continue to build this dividend income machine.
Whoa, Shell! $12,000? That's a mountain of sunflower seeds. But be honest, is that money actually doing anything? Or is it just a big number on a screen?
That's the secret, Henry. Even in this low dividend month, I got a little over $50 in dividend income alone. I didn't have to do anything for this passive income except for put money into a stock position that paid dividends and then just let it ride. I also reinvest every dividend I get back into that position so my dividend income will continue to grow. And in fact, my dividend snowball isn't just rolling, it's picking up speed. Let's look at the actual data. You can see here how I'm tracking everything. For my heavy hitters, SPYI, JEPQ, Realty Income, and Main Street Capital, I focus heavily on the dividend yield column, which can range from 5% to almost 12%. These are my income engines, and by keeping them in my Roth IRA, I get to reinvest every dividend tax-free. And since these are my monthly payers, I did get dividends from them. I'm going to share with you how much I got that helped build that dividend income of over $50. Okay, for JEPQ, I got 74 cents. And that's just with a little over one share. Main Street Capital, I got $7.74. And that one was a little over 29 shares.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Maine is sitting in the red right now. But don't hoard your sunflower seeds just yet, folks. It's actually a massive, especially for us late start investors.
Realty, I got $1.64, and that's with a little over 6 shares. And then SPYI, I got $40.43 with a little over 75 shares. That one is the one that is really growing my dividend very fast. And that is why I do put $100 each month into that one alone.
For these heavy hitters, she's putting in $100 for SPYI, $10 for Realty Income, and $10 for Main Capital every month.
Now, SPYI and JEPQ, they are covered call ETFs. And so the way I combat NAV erosion is by reinvesting my dividends and adding extra cash, as I mentioned, $100 to SPYI and $2 to JEPQ. And that just makes sure that I stay ahead of the game. Now let's look at the rest of the portfolio. My steady climbers. SCHD is doing exactly what it should. It's staying consistent and it's growing. Now TMUS, T-Mobile, Google, VNQ, JXI, and Kroger are seeing some fluctuations. They're all still in the positive total returns, but they did go down from last month. But not worried, I trust all my positions.
How much Shell put into each of these positions? For SCHD, $30, Google $10, VNQ $10, T-Mobile $5, Kroger $5, and a tiny $2 for JXI.
For Kroger, I got $1.49, and that's a little over 4 shares. And with Kroger, what's nice about them is, yeah, their dividend yield is not that high, 2.20%. But with Kroger, they're such a steady blue chip stock. It's one that you just don't have to worry about. Everybody's going to always be buying groceries. Now, my big win here is Excelis, which is still up nearly 80%. Yes, down from that 100%. But that's still a massive win for the total return side of the portfolio.
Alongside Excelis, where she adds $10 a month, she's also got ELF holding down the fort as a 100% growth stock, getting $5 a month. Beauty and tech, baby. That's how we roll.
Now, Henry asked about the red, as we saw in Maine, but I'm not worried about it. When I see the red, that just tells me that that stock is on sale. If you have done your research on that stock, and you know they have strong financials, you don't need to be concerned if they go in the red. Stocks fluctuate all the time. My crypto holdings are currently down, but that is okay. I'm just going to let them ride. And when they're all up, where I feel pretty good about my total return, I am more than likely going to sell them and then go ahead and invest in BSCI.
Oops! Shell meant to say BTCI. the NEOS Bitcoin High Income ETF.
And put that also into my Roth IRA.
So what's the big goal now? Just sit back and eat lettuce?
Not quite. Seeing that $50 is a great start to a payout. But I'm looking forward to seeing that $100 payout. We started small, but we are growing fast. What is one stock that you would never sell, even if the market crashed? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's help each other get off the hamster wheel. If you want to see the full history of my stock portfolio growth, definitely check out the playlist at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.